Alright, I'm going to prepare this picture for our advertisement, and we want to do a zoom blur kind of a thing here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get my crop tool and the straighten button up there, and I'm going to draw a line across the horizon line, and I'm going to pull this out a little ways, and I'm going to tell it to fill in these blank areas with content aware fill. Here we go. All right. Second thing I'm going to do is to try and get rid of this motorcycle in the foreground. So I'm going to just take my lasso tool and draw roughly around it with a little bit extra so that content aware fill knows what to fill it with, and then I'll go into the edit menu and choose content aware fill. We'll take a look at how it does. Pretty darn good. I'm going to, not perfect, but I can crop that off. So I'm going to click OK, and I'll put that on its own layer. I'm going to press Command E or Control E on a PC to merge those layers together, Command or Control D to drop my selection, and then I'll go get my crop tool once again, and we'll pop this up like so and get rid of the motorcycle. I'm going to press Command A or Control A on a PC and tell the image to crop to that dimension. So that removes any pixels that were outside that window area. Now to do the zoom, we'll go into the filter menu and we'll go blur and choose radial blur. Radial blur has a zoom option, and I'll make sure that it's at 100% best quality. I have to kind of guess where in the image that point is up there. Unfortunately, Photoshop doesn't have a better way to do that, and I'll click OK. There we go. Looks like I was off just a little bit, so I'm going to do undo, and we'll go in, blur, radial blur. That seemed a little strong, so maybe I'll do 50%, and it looked like I needed to move that line up just a touch there. Let's see if this works a little better. Pretty close, pretty close. Looks like the center point is just like right there, so I need to come up just a little bit more. Undo again. Filter, blur, radial blur, and we'll come up just a little bit more. That's what I wanted right there. That looks great.